Especially here in Africa, we struggle to get our Google AdSense pin, and sometimes YouTube will tell you that your Google AdSense has been sent to you, and sometimes you wait for months, sometimes you wait for years, sometimes you wait for days, and you don't see it, and then you still go ahead to apply again. Now, there's something we need to understand here in Africa, and especially in Nigeria. Let me talk about Nigeria because I don't know the other part of Africa. I don't know what happens there. So in Nigeria and in some cities, sometimes they don't give you. Thank you. Sometimes they don't give you the accent the way they should. Sometimes you have your address and then the accent will not be given to you, and sometimes you have to wait, you not see it. Now I'm here to tell you how you can get your Google Ascent in Nigeria. Now, when you apply for Google Ascent, don't wait in your house, don't wait until they will come and knock at your door, then you will receive your Google Ascent. Here are the things you need to do to receive your Google Ascent from Google or from YouTube. Now, when you apply and they said wait for 2 weeks, wait for 3 weeks, or wait for 1 month, what are you going to do? Go to the nearest post office around your vicinity, around your house, around your village, or anywhere. You go to the nearest post office and then you go there, you check for your Google Ascent, then you'll be able to find your Google Ascent. Now, it happens to me when I applied for Google Ascent and they sent it, and I was waiting for them to bring it to my house. I waited for how many days, months, I couldn't get it. So one day a friend of mine told me that why don't you go to the post office and check for your Google Ascent. Then I said, okay, let me so I, I said let me go to post office. So I went to the post office to get my Google Ascent. And when I went there, to my surprise, my Google Ascent was there. And they pile up so many Google Ascent. Maybe some people they have sent their own, but they don't know that their Ascent is there. So this is going to be an eye opener for you to check your Google Ascent to the closest post office that is close to you in your house, in your village, or whatever you are. That you need to check, because when you do that, you'll be able to find your Google Ascent. Now, when I went there, they search. I asked for my name. It's so funny that if you look at this Google Ascent, if this is it, if you look at it, Google, they have written my address, my full name, my address on this thing. And now when these people bring it here in Nigeria or even in my state, they did not bring it to my house. They left it at the post office for me to go and get it by myself. It's funny, you know. Sometimes I think maybe they did not pay for the services. I don't know. Maybe they paid. I don't know. But it's funny. I had to go to the post office to get this. And if you look here, my full name is here. My address is here. My everything I wrote concerning my information, everything is here. But they did not bring this into my house. Why am I telling you this? Now you may be going through the same situation of getting your Google Ascent. You don't know how and where to get it. And Google has been telling you, or YouTube has been telling you that your Ascent pin has been sent, your Google Ascent pin has been sent, and you don't know. I'm just here to tell you how and where you can get your Google Ascent. Go to the post office. Like me here in Benue State, Makurdi, I went to the Makurdi, the state headquarters. You can go to your state headquarters and then you get your Google Ascent. Very simple and easy. And know if you think this video is helpful for you, you can subscribe. share, and comment your experience about how you managed to get your Google Ascent. I just want to do this live video to help somebody out there who is struggling to get his or her own Google Ascent, but there's no way. But me, I have my own. I'm earning from YouTube, so I'm happy that I received mine. I love the way they package this thing. They said your Google Ascent personal identification number. Welcome to Google Ascent. Your account isn't set up to receive payment yet. Please follow the instructions to verify your address. Sign in your Google Ascent and then and find the PIN and verify card on your page, on your home page. Enter the PIN exactly as it appears on the right and click submit. So that's exactly what I did to get my PIN into Google Ascent, and then I was able to, YouTube started paying me my money, and I'm so happy. So guys, if you are here, you don't know how to get your Google Ascent, I've shown you the way. So it's left for you to go and check it out. And I would love to know your experience on how you managed to get your Google Ascent. All right. So after being said that, I need to eat something. Yeah, it's morning, so I'm eating corn. Join me, guys. It's good. All right. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Hi, hello. What's up? Mommy. Here, who told you, man? Here, who told you, man? Que que nenhuma. Não. Capiró online lá. So guys, I'm talking about my Google Ascent, yeah? And I'm happy that I got my Google Ascent, and I've shown you the way, the easiest way to get your Google Ascent PIN. And if you don't have, I've shown you here in Nigeria. I don't know where you are. Maybe you are having difficult time to get your Google Ascent, but me, this is what happens to me. That was my experience. I don't know how yours is going to be, but hey, we're gonna work it out. Bye bye.